Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie and today I have a super special video for you. It is our very first makeover that we did during COVID. After watching a few of my design videos, Leslie reached out to me over Instagram and asked me if I wanted to collaborate with her on a super special project. Just a little bit of a backstory. Leslie is a fellow YouTuber who runs a wildly popular channel with her partner Ryan called Through Our Eyes. I had to look the channel up to see what the client is all about, and their channel is so different from mine. They have a super fun, family-oriented channel. Leslie is a beautiful mom with a young family. Her daughter is not too far in age from Kamari, so instantly we bonded over that. She is now pregnant with another baby on the way. I mean, she's about to give birth in a couple of weeks. Her goal was to transform the loft into an artist's studio for her partner Ryan, who is this amazing artist. So when Leslie reached out to me on Instagram, she wanted to surprise Ryan for Father's Day. At that time, it was probably like 10 days away from Father's Day, which is insane. As you might know, I'm currently only taking e-design projects during COVID at the moment. I mean, with a young baby to care for myself, I'm not yet seeing any clients. I was really excited and intrigued with the thought of this collaboration because we could be doing the entire project virtually, through emails, through texting, through ordering everything online. And once we designed and ordered all the items, Kelly and I would come for a one-day install to minimize as much contact as we can during COVID. With such a quick turnaround and a tight budget, we immediately got to work. Leslie shared her Pinterest board with me, showing me Ryan's style. It was colorful, bold, vibrant, a lot of patterns, a lot of bold hues. I mean, his personality is so vibrant that we wanted to be able to capture that in his space. Leslie mentioned that lately Ryan has been feeling really uninspired. They just moved into this new home and the home doesn't reflect their style at all. It's a lot of grays, a lot of browns. They haven't even started furnishing the space. This was the first design that they were going to dive into, and it was specifically made just for him to surprise him for Father's Day. Kelly and I hightailed it to San Diego. We did a quick consultation, measured the room to figure out what the plan was for this space. I have a super duper special guest here today. This is Leslie Hernandez of the uber popular YouTube channel Through Our Eyes. Leslie, tell me what we're doing here.
We are trying to make a surprise happen for my partner. I'm really trying to convert this loft room into an environment where he can feel inspired to do more art, because as you guys know, he's an amazing artist. So I definitely wanted to do that for him, and I'm so thankful I have found somebody great like Julie just to, make this happen.
The minute I got Leslie's message, I just, it really warmed my heart that you really wanted to do this for Ryan. And, the idea is that I want you guys to, even through COVID, be inspired in your space. No matter what budget you put into it, no matter what timeline you have, there is an opportunity for you to really seize these little areas of your home and create a space that you absolutely love. So Leslie is going to be walking me through the space, and then we'll talk about the things that we want to change and the things that we are trying to incorporate in this new art space for Ryan.
First and foremost, this gotta go. So I'm gonna have this removed so we can have another full blank wall to work with. And I was getting the idea, like you said, maybe adding some wall art of his own, or maybe just leaving it blank like you said too, kind of keep that inspiration that he wants to add possibly more in the future.
Okay, I love that idea. I mean, Ryan is an artist, and we're not trying to fill up the room with, art that we purchased just at some old, some big box store. Yeah. We want this space to kind of grow with him and for him to be inspired by his own art. I love that. I am going to assume that this pendant light is not necessarily your style.
Nope, so this is definitely not our style either. Again, this house obviously already came with its own style, so we're trying to incorporate our personality into this house, and this definitely doesn't say that.
We need to get rid of this traditional chandelier, put in something that's really modern, funky, bold, and inspires Ryan to kind of, do his best artwork. An artist clearly needs a desk, so we'll be adding some sort of a desk in here, maybe like a little lounge area for him to kind of chill and relax.
Yes.
Okay, and then a little bit of more color. I mean, obviously it's a lot of gray.
Yes, it's just grays and blacks, and Ryan is definitely on the opposite side. He's more of bold and more pops of colors, and that's just his personality, so I feel like we definitely add so much color to to this room.
You have the opportunity to inject the space with a really huge wow factor, which is going to be our goal. Okay, I love it. I mean, we have a little bit of work to do, so the next time you guys see Leslie, hopefully, you know, it'll be in the pre-planning process, and then when Ryan sees this space, it's gonna be a mega surprise. Okay, so let's get to planning. The loft isn't a huge space. We definitely needed to add window treatments, new lighting, get rid of this huge entertainment center that didn't fit for their vibe, and start adding new furnishings. The concept was a colorful and bold artist's loft. We wanted a space for Ryan to lounge, to work, and to feel completely inspired to further his art. Once I measured the room, I got down to designating specific zones for each furniture piece. We would anchor the space with a large sofa on one side, a desk for his workstation, and a console credenza for additional storage. The biggest challenge here was specifying in-stock furnishings and home decor that fit our vibe. Leslie and I were texting, emailing back and forth every single day during this week to try to figure out what we could get in time. We sourced so many different vendors, and during COVID, I mean, you can't even rely on shipping and delivery times. So there were so many instances where we ordered an item, we expected it to come on a certain day. The delivery people didn't even follow up to let us know that the items wouldn't land in time. So of course, we had to scratch our surprise date for Father's Day and push it out a week later. This takes us up to the day of installation. Mind you, I had only met Leslie one time before this during the consultation, and we're doing everything on phone, email, and text. That is virtually what an e-design entails. You get my design input, I measure the space, I help you source and specify every single item that goes in the space. Leslie did a majority of all of her own shopping for some of the decor and accessories, and we came together and installed everything in one day. Let's talk about some of the design tips that you can take away from this space. When you're working with a bright, bold space with a lot of patterns and colors, a key takeaway tip is to let your area rug be your guide. Leslie had sent me so many different options for area rugs. We wanted something playful, vibrant, fun, with a lot of personality. We found this beautiful graphic rug with pretty much every single color of the rainbow. I love the way this rug looks, and I knew that it was such a bold move for this space that was really going to help it come alive. We pulled all of the different colors from the rug, the gold that would go into our drapery panels, the blues and the oranges that would go into the pillows and throw blankets. And Leslie was dying for an accent wall. Now, you guys know how I feel about accent walls. If you're looking to paint an accent wall in your space, make sure that it supports the entire design as a whole. Don't look to just throw a color on the wall and not have anything else coordinate with it. I specified this really deep, rich blue. I pulled the color from the rug and had it repeated through the accents in the room. What you get is this beautifully cohesive space that looks fun, fresh, and vibrant, and perfect for our client. Remember my small space tip? Look for furniture with legs to visually expand the space. If you have a lot of furniture in a small space, you can float some of the furniture so they're not sitting directly on the floors. This makes the room seem more open, airier, and inviting.
Clearly, I'm like in a whole brand new house.
We're not even done, clearly. Mommy just wanted a sneak peek. She couldn't resist. I'm like, oh my gosh, how can we say no to this belly in this space? But we have finishing touches to do, guys. I'm so excited to surprise Ryan.
Oh my God.
I know he's gonna love it.
I know it's a COVID, but okay.
Since we're on a tight budget, we shopped Leslie's home to look for additional decor and accessories to style the room. And now it's time to show you the final reveal. let's think about what this room used to look like, guys.
Okay.
Do you remember what it used to look like?
Yes. Yeah, it was dim, had like no light in it.
A little traditional, maybe not your style.
Yeah, it was like very brown.
Very brown, very gray. You know, I think this loft is such a beautiful space. I mean, it really is the heart of the home. You land in here, you know, from the first level to your master bedroom. Leslie and I are so excited to put this space together. Mommy, I'm gonna let you do the honors.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Whoa! Oh my God!
Bella, this is your art room. This is your art room.
I knew it! I knew how to do an art! I knew how to do an art!
This is very awesome. You're welcome. This is your art room. Bella, I want you to be inspired to keep doing art.
What do you think?
This is beautiful.
Look, and I got you a fridge.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Babe, we're gonna let you just take everything
That's
in.
amazing.
You know, this is Leslie's
Damn.
concept all the way. You match the room. I mean, I
And there's
cannot
finally
plan
color
this.
in here. That's crazy. Damn, I've been wanting this one. I've been wanting that exact one. Crazy.
Oh my god.
This is your art wall. We want you to fill this up like to the
Wow.
T.
This is amazing. I've never had something like this in my life.
Aw.
Yeah. Well, I used to have one like this, but it was like in the garage. You know? That was dungy.
Yeah.
I know, but look at this. It's light, it's bright, it's open, it's airy. I mean,
And
Give
look,
us kicks,
look,
give us
look at my look. Everything's meant to be right now.
Okay.
This is great. It's a
Thank
blessing.
you.
This is a blessing. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
excited!
Oh,
you love
Yay!
Yes, I do.
Come, you know, come sit down. Come sit. It's for the family. You guys can chill, relax. Aww.
And my dad doesn't
This
really
is
match
definitely
it.
her new favorite room too.
Yeah.
Like, look, like I feel like she belongs here too.
Now you guys get to enjoy it. I'm so happy for
Thank you so much.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Mom, Dad,
Oh, to
your
you.
family.
Congratulations to you.
Yay.
Well, to you for making all this happen, and to you, but to me, because I'm about to enjoy it. So,
That's right.
you know.
And there you have it. What do you guys think? I mean, this was just one of those really daunting processes because it was my first makeover and installation during COVID. I mean, I hadn't even stepped foot out of the house. Leslie found me at such an ideal time because California was easing up on restrictions and San Diego County was opened up, so was Orange County. I was able to come in and out really quickly without feeling super restricted. I mean, you could see at the beginning, we were really careful. Kelly and I had on our masks, on our gloves. I mean, we didn't want to risk contamination since Leslie is pregnant. So the moral of the story is trust the process. As a client, you want to be able to trust your vision. Share your thoughts and your intent with your designer. Sit back, relax, and allow your designer to execute your vision. The best designs come from a collaborative effort. The more you're able to share your desires for the space, the better the outcome will be. Because we have such a restricted time limit and so many issues with scheduling and deliveries, I don't think I'm doing any makeovers for now until maybe even the end of summer. I love to do these e-designs. I love to help you guys conceptualize your space, look for products, but purchasing and delivery is going to be completely up to you. I hope you love this makeover as much as I did. I'll be linking all of the products from this video. You can find them in the description box below and shop the look. I'll also be linking Leslie and Ryan's YouTube page, Through Our Eyes. It's such a fun channel. It's all about their young family and their beautiful life and home in sunny San Diego. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below and let me know what your favorite part of this makeover is, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.